Hi everyone. So we've all probably seen one of these in our lifetime, whether it was at the local hardware store or inside the packaging to fix your new bicycle rack to the wall inside the garage. And these are known as nailing anchors. And nailing anchors get used for light duty fixings. If you would require something with a more heavy duty load, I would suggest that you use one of these high performance sleeve anchors or shield anchors. Back to the nailing anchor. So, with so many different makes, names and quality levels on the market, how do you select the correct one? Well, the nailing anchors from Worth is made of a high performance polyamide. Now, what is polyamide? Some might refer to it as the new nylon. It is extremely resistant to UV rays and also to mold and wet areas. So these already come pre-assembled, and they also come in a variety of different sizes, from a 5mm up into an 8mm, with all the different lengths in between. So simply what you need to do is just select the correct drill bit size, and in this case, this is an 8x80. The hole always needs to be exactly the same size as the anchor. So in this case, I am going to select an 8mm masonry drill bit. Now, if this is a panel that I wanted to fix to the wall, I've created my 8mm size hole, which is there, and I'm going to insert this into the hole. And also note that the nailing anchors come with a neat little collar to prevent it from pushing all the way inside of the hole if the drill hole was maybe created too deep. Now, simply what I can do now is use my screw gun with a bit, or I can simply use a hammer to drive it even further. And that is how easy it is. If you require any more information, please do not hesitate to speak to your Worth sales consultant.